Chawanmushi is a savory egg custard that is a beloved Japanese comfort food. It means steamed in a teacup because the custard is cooked and served in a small serving bowl or cup. I'm going to show you how to make this Chawanmushi with a twist by serving them like Tats or the Chinese egg custard tarts served in dim sum. We'll start by making the frizzled ginger. Here I have some peeled knobs of fresh ginger that I've shaved lengthwise into very thin sheets on a mandolin. Julienne these thin sheets of ginger and fry them in hot oil until they're golden brown. Set the frizzled ginger aside. Here I have 3 cups of water heated to 200 degrees in a stainless steel saucepan. Add 1 bunch of fresh chervil stems, saving the leaves for garnish, kombu and bonito flakes. Simmer for 15 minutes but do not boil. Turn off the heat and add 1 tablespoon of Kikkoman gluten-free tamari soy sauce. Let this steep for another 15 minutes. Strain the dashi broth through a fine sieve, return to the saucepan, and keep hot over the lowest possible heat. Now let's prep the custard. Here I have 2 eggs whisked together. Add Kikkoman gluten-free tamari soy sauce and evaporated milk, whisking together gently to create as few bubbles as possible. Drizzle in some hot dashi broth, a few tablespoons at a time to temper the egg mixture, increasing to a few ounces at a time to make approximately 2 cups. Pour the custard through a fine sieve into a stainless steel bowl, then cover and refrigerate overnight. Any bubbles in the custard will dissipate while resting in the refrigerator. Here I have the pastry dough baked into 2-inch fluted pie tins with removable bottoms. I made the pastry dough with a little Parmesan cheese and Kikkoman rice vinegar. Ladle the refrigerated custard into the baked shells, about a 1/4 inch below the rim. Arrange on a parchment-lined sheet pan. Bake for 20 minutes or until the custard is set. Now we're ready to plate. Remove the custards from the tins and arrange. Using a microplane, zest a snowdrift of Parmesan cheese over the tarts. Using a small squeeze bottle with a very fine tip opening or an eyedropper, drop 3 to 4 droplets of Kikkoman gluten-free tamari soy sauce on top of each custard and garnish with chervil leaves. These Chawanmushi tartlets are a beautiful shared appetizer, grab-and-go snack, or amuse bouche.